Is your Roblox adventure on Microsoft Edge stuck in a frustrating loading loop? Don't worry, because today we're breaking down the barriers and getting you back into the game. So let's dive into how to unblock Roblox on Microsoft Edge. First, let's check those browser settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Microsoft Edge, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the section labeled Security. Make sure that Block Potentially Unwanted Apps is turned off, as this feature can sometimes interfere with Roblox. Next up, let's tackle extensions. Click on Extensions in the left-hand menu now. Carefully review your installed extensions and temporarily disable any that might interfere with Roblox. Especially ad blockers or security extensions. Test Roblox after disabling each one to identify the culprit. If the issue persists, your firewall might be the problem. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Make sure both Roblox and Roblox Studio are checked for both private and public networks. If they are not on the list, click Allow another app and manually add them. Let's double-check your internet security settings. Search for Internet Options in the Windows search bar in the Internet Properties window. Go to the Security tab. Ensure that the security level for the Internet Zone is set to medium or lower. Click Sites. Then add Roblox. Come to the list of trusted websites. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be back to building, battling, and exploring in Roblox on Microsoft Edge in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!